Ma, oh, Ma.
Ya.
Yun ada surprise nak bagi kat Mak ni. Relax.
Tak ya.
Relax.
Tak Mama.
Relax. You tak ada tidak CPR. I don't know how to do it, alright? Okay, are you ready about my surprise to you? Okay, you have to. But you have to. Hadang.
Kenapa yun?
Cuba. Buka. Cuba baca.
Ya. Kamu mungkin kerja ke?
Ya, mungkin bekerja. Please read it. Mak apa ya? Mak relax.
Yes.
Mak relax. Mak. Relax. Oh my god. Yes. Bacalah, Mak. Oh my god. Kita akan pergi umrah, Mak.
Terima kasih.
Mak, relax. Please read it.
Pengesahan maklumat menunaikan
Tak dengar.
Pengesahan maklumat menunaikan ibadah umrah.
Let's go.
Can't believe that what I read.
Yes. So, kita akan pergi umrah nanti, Mak, bersama.
Terima kasih, Allah.
Are you happy?
Mama happy dan sedih.
Oh my god.
Sebab
kita orang akan pergi umrah bersama-sama.
Terima kasih yang menyokong kami. You tak boleh digeding, yo. You cannot do like that.
I cannot do ding-ding ini.
Geding-geding.
Okay, no.
Geding cannot.
Why?
You know, umrah is jemputan from Allah. Terima kasih, Yud. Bagi hadiah yang paling berharga dalam hidup Mama.
Kita akan pergi bersama. I know it. Are you love me? Are you love me? Love me.
I love you.
I will work harder to get money to go travel with you, okay?
Yeah. Doakan Mama sihat.